Yeah, let me look. One sec. I got too many apps on this phone. I got a lot of stuff going on today, so sorry I'm busy. But just oh, what does Cash App look like? What is the a green app? Okay. I have Apple. I like iPhone. It's amazing. Are you working on it now? Are you working on it now? Finding it? It seems like they're sending me a link. Hang on. Okay, I'll let you know when I'm able to log in. They sent me this link. Do you mind looking at it? Can you look at this link for me? It should have all my stuff on it. It's https colon forward slash forward slash. You mind going that link for me? Yeah, yes, sir. I want you to. Because they sent me this link. It's got all my payment information. Can you open it for me? Oh, yes, I have Cash App. About 50K. I needed him to click on the link. Being scammed by someone thinking they're trying to make me think they're a bank. They called once before. Don't click on the link, by the way. Don't go to that link. You'll be doxxed. Yeah. Do you have like a, can I like send it to, like, do you have a personal line I can send this link to? Okay, sounds good. Yeah, I'm on Venmo. Okay. Oh, Cash App. Okay. Yeah, I'm on the Cash App. Yeah, I'm getting on Cash App. And that on Venmo? Oh, Cash App. Sorry. What if I need to reset my PIN? I don't remember my PIN. Okay. How do I do that? As soon as he clicks on this link, I have all the dude's information. Okay, I got the link to reset my PIN. If I send it to you, can you help me? Yeah, I've been on Cash App. Been trying to hit pay. Yeah, I've been trying to hit pay. It's just not working, man. I don't know. Why, they could be having server issues. I mean, big company. Sometimes servers are down.
20 minutes later.
All right, this guy's been on this phone for almost 30 minutes. I didn't plan this through. They've probably trained to not go to suspicious links.
Hi, I'm Tina. I wanted to let you know that some of us share our music at work using MyTunes. You can download it if you go to https MyTunes listen.
Yeah, sorry, had to put my phone down for a second.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
I'm not keeping you from anything. Got all day. Yeah, I can give you my PayPal link. https colon forward slash forward slash. Are you writing this down?
We'll return after these messages.
Can you repeat it back for me? Just go to the link. I've been on this call for 30 minutes.
Now, back to more.
Cheaper Gary. Yeah, I'm on Cash App. I've been on Cash App. Okay, I'm pressing pay. Are you going to see it when it goes through? Are you going to be able to see when it fails? Okay. All right. Press pay. Yeah, I received the notification that the bank was it was canceled. Yeah. I go through the Cash App. So the goal is to keep these scammers on the phone as much as possible, right? So we've been on this call for 34 minutes. I'm on the phone with someone trying to get in my Cash App information through my bank or whatever. I don't know. Are you still there? All right. Hey, I'm back. Have you tried going to the link? Okay. But what I thought you were wanted to get to my PayPal. Oh, you see transactions with PayPal?
And the amount of 1K here, so that's going to be the bank refunded transaction. Do you see that?
Yeah, I see it.
Press pay, okay?
Okay, I click pay.
Yes, you want to press pay on that request. You want to press pay. Once you do press pay here, sir, it's going to prompt you to the screen here.
How long is this guy going to keep just telling me the same thing? Is all this effort on your part really worth it? Yes. I click pay.
What message have you received? Sir, what message have you received?
Says it was canceled on the app.
So you received the message that the transaction was canceled?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. On PayPal?
Exact message? No, on Cash App.
On Cash App. I thought we were looking at PayPal.
Sir, you are going on PayPal when I am referring you to go on Cash App here.
Oh.
Are you on Cash App?
Yeah, do My Cash App link's the same as that link you wrote down if you want to go to that link. I didn't know I'm trying to fish this month, right? Like, I keep telling him to go to this link, and he just says, oh, I don't want to go to the link. But I'm just keep responding.
Sir, we cannot click on the link here, sir. As of right now, what I need you to do here, sir, I need you to press on that pay button on Cash App, okay?
Okay. Yeah, I was able to click the Cash App link.
But on my side here, sir, it does look like you did not even press on the button here, sir.
I pressed the button. It didn't work. I thought I pressed it. Maybe it just didn't go through. Maybe it just didn't go through. I thought I pressed it. Yes, I'm on Cash App. I keep trying to click pay. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's happening. Like there's a server issue or something. Like I click pay, it just doesn't go through. But he's sending me links now. Y'all can't see, but like I'm not gonna click. We're having a fishing fight right now. Is what we're doing. He's trying to fish me. I'm trying to fish him back. So we're at a stalemate.
Some time later.
I'm trying to do a text here, and it does look like it is not prompting through here. So as of right now, we are going to prompt this. You just say you do have PayPal, correct?
Yeah, I send you the link to my PayPal. If you click on it, it should work. It might say like allow or something. You just keep clicking allow or whatever, and it should go through.
Sir, now I just click on the link here, and it does look like nothing prompted up.
He didn't go to the link. Hang on, let me go through this process again. The link's going to be the same.
Now, are you on Cash App, sir?
Oh, God. Yeah, one sec. I got to switch from PayPal to Cash App again. One sec. Yeah, so you went to PayPal and nothing popped up? Can you try it again?
Sir, nothing popped up.
Can you try it again, please?
Okay, or one moment. No, sir, I cannot click on that link here. My system here is not prompting me to click on that link. It is not working here, sir. Can you get on? Get back on Cash App?
He says it's not working. He's not clicking on it. Someone is telling him not to click on it. Then why even try, dude? If you know you're being fished, why even attempt to keep fishing me? Can you hold, please? He said okay. Hello? This is Greg. I'm hanging up. I'm going to leave this up all day. See what happens. But that was a little short impromptu stream. I'll let you know what unfolds tonight. See you tonight at normal stream time. We play community games on Fridays if you want to hop in. But yeah, I'll see you tonight for Among Us.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.
Bye.